Your expensive Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra won't turn on, and it smells like a litter box? Your cat didn't just make a mess, they just fried your robot vacuum's brain. When cat urine gets inside, it doesn't just cause a stink, its acidic nature eats through electronics. In this unit, the damage is total. Ignoring this, or worse, trying to force charge a damp robot can lead to permanent component failure, or even a fire hazard. Once that liquid hits the circuitry, the clock is ticking. Think your Roborock is headed for the landfill? Not on our watch. RoboCare has the fix. At RoboCare, we're seeing a surge in dead Roborock S7 MaxV Ultras caused by one thing: cat urine. It's the ultimate silent killer for high-end vacuums. When liquid gets inside the butt and the base, it doesn't just stop the cleaning, it causes a total hardware meltdown. The diagnostic on this unit is brutal. The acidic nature of the urine has completely eaten through the main PCB and the control PCB. It's even taken out the front camera, the LiDAR navigation set, and the cliff sensors. Essentially, the nervous system of this robot has been short-circuited by a single accident. Because cat urine is highly corrosive, our approach is surgical. We perform a complete teardown using professional diagnostic tools to trace every short circuit. For this specific Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra, we're performing a total system overhaul. This includes replacing the main and control PCBs, the front AI camera, and the entire LiDAR navigation set. We don't just swap parts, we deep clean the internal chassis to ensure no lingering moisture or odors remain to cause future damage. Now let's get to the results. Look at that. With a full system overhaul, from new PCB to a fresh LiDAR set, this Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra is back to peak performance. No errors, no smells, just clean floors. Don't let a pet accident ruin your day. Contact RoboCare now, visit our website, or call us to schedule your repair. We make repairs effortless.